So citrus can grow well in greenhouses as well. Typically, really warmth is the key for citrus. They don't like to experience nighttime temperatures that are really much below 50 degrees, especially for prolonged periods of time. And so that's where the greenhouse can really come in and help with citrus production. One interesting fact about citrus that can affect how you grow in a greenhouse is that citrus really doesn't like a lot of humidity. And so sometimes in the winter months, you may experience, as you keep your ventilation and your windows closed more, and you have a warm greenhouse with cold outside air with a lot of condensation building, you can experience some higher humidity levels in a greenhouse. And so when growing citrus, it's really important, especially, to have a dehumidifier to be able to bring down those humidity levels so that your citrus plants, trees, don't experience things like mold or pest infestations. Some of the common pests that you may see on citrus are spider mites or scale bugs. Those can really be managed typically with just regularly spraying the plant down with water to spray off the pests and keep just a little bit of moisture there. You may also see aphids, which similarly you can spray off with water. Water will actually interrupt the reproductive cycle of the aphids. Or some people will choose to use like insecticidal soaps and things like that if they have a bad infestation. You may also see occasionally citrus leaves that are starting to yellow on your trees, and oftentimes this is a sign that the plant is low in iron, and so you can add a little bit of chelated iron over time and then periodically throughout the year to prevent that as well.